Hello everyone, Michael Derziak with Rugged Suppressors. Today I'd like to dispel some myths surrounding modular rifle suppressors. Today we've got the Surge 762. The adapt module threads on like so. Hand tight. We've also got a 10.5-inch upper and a full auto lower receiver. What we're going to do today is test until failure.
That's a failure.
Unfortunately, that last round cooked off like that. It's a very dangerous situation, but as you can see, the suppressor is intact. Visit us at ruggedsuppressors.com.